guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have monthly favorites. I'm going to be telling you all the products that I was loving in June. I have quite a few of them here, so sit down, grab a snack. I got a snack, I'm going to tell you about it in a second. As you can see, I got my haircut for the summer. I don't know, I needed to change. Kyle likes me better with short hair. We have a lot to get through today. I'm going to be kind of going through my current favorites for the month of June. I have a lot that I've been loving. So to start off, I am going to show you two foundations that I've kind of been going back and forth between. These are both from Ole Mercier. So this is the Ole Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Foundation. This one's awesome if you have dry skin. When I'm feeling more dry is when I use this foundation. I don't use it all the time, it just depends on my skin. If you watched my previous video, you know about my skin struggles recently. So I'll put that in the little eye. It's up here. And I will link it down below, my Skin Diaries playlist, so you guys know where I'm at with my skin. I'm going to try to keep you guys more updated for, you know, where my skin's at. This one has been great for when I have dry skin. The other one that I love is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. This one is a ride or die for me. It never steers me wrong. I love this foundation. I use this year round, and it is flawless, and it's very long wearing. So I feel like I get such, you can see how much I've used. I mean, honestly, like, this foundation is bomb. I've used a ton of it. This one too, I've used a good amount, but more often than not, I have oily skin, so I will typically gear towards the more matte one, but I love both of those foundations so much. Ole Mercier makes beautiful skin products, so I love them. As you guys know, I love my Candle Glow powder from Ole Mercier, and of course the translucent setting powder everybody loves, so love a lot of the things from Ole Mercier, and those two are no exception. Moving on, I have a moisturizer that I've been loving. This is the Ole Henriksen C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. This is awesome because it has vitamin C in it, and vitamin C is so good for your skin. It has 3 sources of vitamin C and rose of winter extract. My skin also really loves rose. I usually use this just daytime. Nighttime, I'll use more of an oil for my moisturizer, but I love this for daytime. It's great to wear under makeup. It's really hydrating, really beautiful on the skin. Gives you a nice glow. Next, I have a hair product, which I know, you're like,
what? She does her hair?
Apparently I do. I know, I don't do my hair very often, but when I do, I use this. Actually, that's not true. I use this every time I wash my hair. So this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Now, I love this product because it is a great leave-in conditioner. It makes my hair feel really soft, and it gets out all the tangles. My hair gets super tangly, so if I don't use some type of leave-in conditioner, then it's really hard for me to brush out my hair, and I don't like that. So I will use this every time I get out of the shower. I'll spray this in. I don't use a lot because I have pretty oily hair, and I'll just kind of run it through the ends. I use even less now that I got my hair cut for the summer, but yeah, I love this. This is right up there along with my Davines Oil conditioner thing that I love. So it comes in the same type of little spray bottle. It's really good. I like Briogeo as a brand in general. I think their products are absolutely wonderful. I love their hair mask. I love their shampoo conditioner. I've tried a bunch from them already, and I just love their brand. I think they're awesome, and they make great hair products, so that's a win for me. This is a perfume. I bought this a while ago, and I just kind of started using it again. I used it actually for my wedding day because that's originally what I bought it for, but I don't know, I've been wearing this a lot. So this is the Dior Joy Perfume. It's really beautiful. It's a little bit florally. I don't know. It's like a sweet floral almost. And I'm not big on florals, so I'm surprised that I like this. It has like a, if you can see, it has like a little magnet top. But the cap comes off, magnets itself back on. So I don't know. I think it's a really cool little bottle. The bottle's so pretty and it smells good. So I don't know, I've just been using it every day. I'm no expert on perfumes. I have a few that I like my all-time favorites are like YSL Black Opium. I love Dior Poison Girl, the one in the red bottle. I love that one. I like, normally I'm more like a little bit spicier, muskier scent. I love all the KKW perfumes. I have not smelled one that I didn't like so far. So KKW is probably like my favorite perfumes, but this one I've been really wearing a lot lately, which is surprising because I thought I never would wear this when I bought it, but I used it for my wedding, and now, like, I don't know, it makes me think of my wedding day when I smell this, so I've been wearing that a lot. Next up, I have this e.l.f. sponge. I don't know exactly what it's called, and it's dirty AF right now. I need to wash this so bad because I just used it, But I love this sponge. It's so soft. It's probably the softest sponge that I own, and I just love it. I feel like it doesn't take away the coverage. That's the reason like I don't really like the Real Techniques one. I feel like it takes away the coverage. I really like the Sonia Kashuk ones too, but I like this one better, and this was a recent like find for me, so I figured I would tell you guys about it. It's got a really nice shape, so you can pack on with the bottom side if you want. I tend to like use the side to pat on. I know this is so gross and I need to wash it because I just used it today, but I love this sponge so much. You can get right up under your eye with a little point. It's just a perfect shape and the perfect amount of squishiness. It's just so squishy. You can even use it dry. That's how squishy it is, and it's awesome. I highly recommend it. It's really cheap. I picked mine up at Target and it's a bomb ass sponge. Okay, this is kind of a splurgy item that I absolutely am not ashamed of. I got this on sale when Sephora did their VIB, and this is the Natasha Denona Mini Nude Palette. It is so pretty. Okay, let me show you the colors, how beautiful it is. This is like the perfect little everyday palette. And I feel like for somebody who travels a lot, who's on the go, but wants a really beautiful high-end eyeshadow, this is the perfect thing for that because you get all your neutral shades. You have your transition color here, you have your deepening shade here, and then you have a couple like really pretty shimmers for the lid. It's just perfect, and it's such a beautiful, beautiful palette. I just love this. And I don't know, I want to say I paid like $25 for this, but I'll link it down below and you guys can check it out. Natasha Denona has beautiful shadows. This is actually my first little Natasha Denona product that I've owned. I've been really hesitant to buy the actual big eyeshadow palettes because they're so freaking expensive, and there's something in my soul that just tells me like you can't spend over $100 on one eyeshadow palette. There's no justifying that. So I don't know, maybe one day when I'm like a rich celebrity makeup artist or something, I'm gonna stick with the little one. And yes, it's a favorite because the shadows are absolutely beautiful. Blend like a dream, and the shimmers are so pretty. So I use that one all the time for like my little everyday look. Next, this is an oldie but a goodie, but I've recently gone back to this. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I love this one. I really want to try the new Damn Girl mascara that they just came out with, but this is what the wand looks like. It's like a spirally looking wand, but it just makes your lashes so big. And that's what I have on right now. And I feel like my lashes are like pretty solid. I don't have any falsies on, so that's an oldie but a goodie, but I love it. It doesn't flake on me. It's just a good ride or die mascara, and I cannot wait to try the new Damn Girl mascara, but I haven't picked it up yet, so I'm gonna do that. But in the meantime, I've been using that again, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my all-time favorite mascaras. This is a brand new product that I just got. This is from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Summer Collection. This is the Supreme Frost in the shade Diamond Wet. Are you kidding me? Look how beautiful that is. I also love that he did this like chartreusey green packaging. I'm obsessed with it. This shade is so sparkly and so glittery. Let me swatch it for you guys. You can use them and it still looks like it's not even touched. Like, are you serious? That is so beautiful. That is so perfect for summer. It's wet and intense. I have a little bit of highlight on right now, but let me just amp this up a little bit. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? It's just so pretty. For summer, I feel like if you want that wet highlight look, and it glistens in the sun, like that's a good ass highlight, okay? So Jeffree Star Cosmetics Supreme Frost in the shade Diamond Wet. Oh, my favorite thing from the summer launch. I love the Jawbreaker palette too, but I didn't pick one up yet. I'm waiting for it to restock. I let everyone else buy it first because I was trying to be nice. I have used it a couple times in my store and I'm obsessed with it. I've used it on a couple people. I've used it on myself and it's beautiful, and you should all go buy it because it's amazing. This is kind of a weird one to throw in. This is the Women's Mitchum Clinical Pure Fresh Deodorant. This I bought because, funny story, I bought this because I was using Degree for a really long time. It's been forever that I've used the same deodorant, and I guess my body just wasn't jiving anymore, and I just noticed that I was getting like kind of sweaty. This is TMI, but whatever. I was getting kind of sweaty, like started to like kind of smell a little funky by the end of the day, so I was like, I'm gonna switch deodorants. I've tried the Secret Clinical Deodorant, and that one didn't work really well for me. And I'm not a big sweater, but like, I don't know. I just like, you know when you just get kind of funky and you just know you need to switch deodorants? That's where I got in life. So Kyle actually got this for me at Target, and he told me that they were like a really well-known brand for being amazing deodorant. I don't know, it used to be like a medical grade deodorant, but now they sell it in stores. It's got this like soft, like twist up kind of deal. Like just twist it up and the deodorant comes out of these little holes at the top. It's a really awesome deodorant. I don't sweat, I don't smell with this one. It lasts me all day and I have no issues whatsoever. Like I smell like roses all day long. I just smell fresh as I've been loving that, and I already picked up a second one because I love it so much. This is another recent love of mine. You guys know I think Iconic London is an amazing brand. I love Iconic London's aesthetic. I love their brand. I think they make beautiful products. I just love how glowy and beautiful their products are. So these two are the new lip plumping glosses. I want to say there's like 5 shades in this. They're really, really beautiful. They are a little bit plumping. They're not too minty. Their packaging is just so pretty. This one is Lovestruck, and then this one is called Nearly Nude. They're both really, really beautiful. I am obsessed with them. I've been wearing them a lot, and they're really glossy. So here, I'll put on Lovestruck for you guys. Just on top of what I'm wearing so you can see. Oh, they're so shiny, and they're a little bit minty. They're not as plumping as like the Buxom or the Too Faced lip injection. They're not quite as plumping as that, but they have that like tingly minty feeling. It's not overbearing like the other ones. I love how shiny they are. They're just like a really juicy, pretty gloss. So I've been loving those. I love these 2 shades. They're my 2 favorites. I actually did get these in gratis from Iconic London because they are sold in Morphe stores. So check out if you have a local Morphe store near you. You can get them on Morphe online too, but they were generous enough to give these to us. I've been wearing them almost every day. That's how much I love them. The last thing that I'm gonna put in my favorites, it's kind of a weird thing to put in favorites, but I love them this much that I will do it. These are the Cheez-It Extra Toasty. Bitch. So you know when you get like the Cheez-Its that are like kind of burnt at the bottom of the bag? This whole box is that. This is the best Cheez-Its ever. It's toasty. It's toasty. It's delicious. It's the best Cheez-It they've ever made. If they ever discontinue this, I will sob for years. Literal years. I got these 2 for $5 at Target yesterday. I was real pumped about it. We are obsessed with them. I've eaten so many boxes of these, and I'm not even ashamed about it. I love these Cheez-Its so much. Let me mention one more thing before I go. These nails that I have on, everyone's been asking me about these. They're super cute. Super cute, right? These I got at Target too for like $5, $6.99, something like that. I'll link them down below. But they're from Impressions, I want to say is the brand. I'll link it down below, like I said. But they're like press-on nails, and they're really good, and they have such cute designs. I think I actually found them online because, I don't know, I feel like some influencer said something about them at one point, or like people post about it. So I saw them in Target, and I picked them up, and I tried them, and I love them. They're so cute. So I wanted to mention that and just let you know. I've worn them for 2 days now, and none of them have popped off or gotten weird or anything like that. Normally I feel like press-on nails are kind of like ugly, and you know, they're not cute, they fall off. These ones have been really good. They've stayed really well. I'm into them. So big thumbs up for those. That's all I have for my favorites this month. June has been kind of lit with the products. I've rediscovered some old things I used to love. I actually really want to do a video soon that's like shop my stash kind of thing, or like discovering old products that I used to love, or something along those lines. So let me know if you guys want to see that. I will totally film it for you guys, and I'm excited about that because I have so much you wouldn't even believe. So I totally will go through my stuff and pull out all the stuff that I used to be obsessed with and do a full face with it. I think that'd be kind of cool. Yeah, that's all I have for today. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you love any of these products, or if there's any products you want me to try that you think I would love, comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, because I'm trying to upload 2-3 times a week now. So being really consistent, being a really good YouTuber. Definitely subscribe, join the fam, do it. You know you want to. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.